Tarot reading with Shasta, Virgo. Hi. This is going to be a reading for you from October the 19th to the 26th of 2020. And we should take a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then pull out, an oracle card as a closure to your reading, which will act as a message for you from the universe. I want you all to please remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. This could be for you, your person, or the situation you're undergoing. It could also be vice versa energies for some of you if you're cross reading or cross watching for somebody. If you're looking at a personal reading, I suggest you email me and I shall try and help you out with a schedule. All right. I have mentioned my email address in the description box below. Okay, for some of you who always want to know, the tarot cards I'm using today for your reading, Virgo, is the Angel Wisdom Tarot deck by Radleigh Valentine, and I'm using John Holland's The Psychic Tarot Oracle deck. All right, let's go on. Virgo for the week 19th to the 26th. Super. All right, so Virgo, your overall energy for your reading is the Two of Cups, which is two people coming together to make something happen, a union of two people, two ideas. It could mean falling in love or the resurgence of a romantic relationship. If some of you are already in a relationship, I see a lot of bonding. I see a lot of forgiveness and the end of challenges and bad times and new beginnings. I see a start to new relationships. I see that a lot of exchange of gifts perhaps, or exchange of love perhaps between two people. This is a card that tells you very clearly that you're not supposed to give up on people that you love. All right, so this is about definitely clearly a relationship. Now, anyways, going back to your past. In your past, I see that you have the Ace of Cups. I see the Ten of Swords, and I see something like an awakening of sorts, all right, with the Hangman, which has kind of caused you to think, look within, Virgo, and find out what went wrong, all right? So there was this relationship, a beautiful experience, a romantic relationship, a deep friendship, maybe you were married, you have children. Some of you were, in a new relationship perhaps, and and I see, that you had this new discovery of romance, of a relationship, of a union with your loved one, and then something happened. There was this situation that kind of ended very badly. There was sadness on both sides. The opportunity, you had the opportunity, Virgo, to move into new happiness. Perhaps you were ready to break off. I definitely see it as you. A weight off your shoulders. You thought, okay, I'm done. I can't do this. I'm probably done with this relationship. It was a very dramatic kind of a reaction that you had to the situation back then. And then you went into this, the Hangman kind of a mode. The Hangman mode is a confused kind of a state that one is in, where you're not sure about what to do next. But what happens usually when you're in that kind of a situation, in the Hangman situations, you tend to look within. You tend to look at the issue on hand, with different perspectives, in a different, in different light. And a temporary pause or a time to, kind of reflect. You took that time to reflect perhaps, or look within, having that insight to look within. I also see an awakening where you see things in a whole new light and embracing your, uniqueness, in different ways. You kind of really thought over this in the past. In your current situation, I see someone who's very, with the Page of Swords, I see you've turned into this very logical, perceptive, insightful, and very intellectual kind of a person. You look at everything very intellectually. You want to challenge yourself also like that. You are ready to face up to certain things which you were not in the past. I see that you are ready to review everything again carefully, which you were not willing to in the past. You kind of thought it's over, but you are now someone who's ready to kind of look back, look within, and see where it could, where you could probably intervene and help out. All right. I see that in the current situation, I do see some kind of a conflict with others, cause, people who oppose your opinions, you don't take it too well, Virgo. So I see that you kind of walk away from anything now. So if anything happens now, you don't just give up on the whole thing, you just kind of temporarily take a back seat. You kind of just shift the energies or shift your attention momentarily by just walking away from that drama, unless the situation is really worth your time. You have become someone like that. You don't want drama in your life. And I see that you do stand up for yourself, and you've become extremely ambitious also. You have grown. This entire thing has taught you a lot, even as a person, or what you should be doing. All right. I also see with the Four of Cups, 4 of Wands, I do see that you probably have come back with this person. There is a lot to celebrate. You have a lot of gratitude. You are a spiritual person, so you do feel that it was something which kind of brought you together, got you this peace and prosperity, and something has kind of changed in your personal life because of the way you have also changed. All right. Going forward, I see with the Page of Cups, I see someone approaching you who's more sensitive, open-hearted. Probably they're not as experienced as you and not as deep as you, but I see that there could be rekindling of something again. I see a romantic encounter, social invitations or events. Basically, you are able to now kind of gel with this person, all right, which you couldn't in the past. There was a lot of egos in the past. Now I don't see that. All right. I also see that the need to move on from the past has come into you. You do not want to linger on in the past. You want to now kind of change your priorities. You want to kind of move away. You want to experience something better, for the better. And I see a lot of life changes happening for you going forward. And I also see with the 10 of Wands, I see a lot of hard work, too much of hard work going in the days to come. But I do see that you need to kind of get the balance in your life. Somewhere I feel you will lose that. Since everything is going great guns for you, this is more like an advisory card for you, which says that you probably need to balance your life, and let others help you, let people kind of share that burden with you. I do see health problems coming in for you, and this all looks very stress related, so you may want to watch your back. All right, Virgo, so that's what I see for you. Let's go on to seeing what the universe has to say for you. What's the message for you from the universe? From the universe for Virgo, 19th to the 26th of October 2020. What's the message from the universe? Yes, new beginnings. Is telling you to kind of take that leap of faith, leave the past. It has nothing to do. Your present is very different. Your priorities have changed. It's telling you to kind of believe in yourself and move forward. All right. It's telling you that you will need to break out of that fear of insecurities that you've had, and that's all natural because it's all based on what you've experienced in the past. It's telling you to kind of break free of that fear. All right. It says that you do have a lot of peace and harmony. All that conflict and fights and strife is over. The struggles and challenges of the past are done in. I see a lot of harmony and a lot of stability going forward. These are all messages for you from the universe. All right, that's all I have for you, Virgo. I see you next week.